usually make a story in my head and then
हाँ.
उसमें से I pick up like I divide it into parts and then उसमें से I pick up elements and usually मेरा element based ही रहता है.
Let's talk about the current poster style, what is working, what is happening, and few things and elements that we can observe in those style. So first category is maximalist poster style. Do you guys have any idea about this? Maximalism.
I think I like to illustrate, like, I like maximalist illustration. That's
Okay.
why. But my only thing when I said also that I get overwhelmed when I see a poster as to where I should start from. It's
Huh.
with my illustration, how would I place things on top of it so that nothing gets like, the hierarchy doesn't fall off. So
Yeah.
that's my thing. But I really like the maximalism posters. Like I like the idea and the style. I don't like minimalism. That's it. So yeah, that's
Oh.
a thing. That's a bias.
Uh, okay. Yeah. Anyone else? Maximalism. The thoughts. You like it? You do not like it? Or is it overwhelming? Is it something that you want to do?
According to me, maximalism, like when you make it, there's also like this. It's like a very fine line. So, like if you cross that line, then it's just a big, huge clutter of just like everything going on, and then you don't know like कहाँ देखना है, मैं ऊपर देखूँ, नीचे देखूँ, side में देखूँ, and it's just
Yeah.
like continuously like a lot of shit going on.
Yeah.
But yeah, like to find that sweet spot for me, I feel that's pretty hard.
Maximalistic poster is where someone can just stop and just read it throughout. They have a lot of time. It won't work where, like a billboard or somewhere. It won't work over there.
Yeah. Excellent point. Maximalist poster का यही है कि it has so many elements. You can't in billboards. You while passing by, you have a little bit of time to see and go by. Maximalist poster, you would require so much more time to see and observe, but there are so many elements that are there in it. Like, let's just digress these two posters. One of the things that I started to observe during this is one is the color overload. Like the left poster, you see there is blue, purple, there is black, there is pink, yellow, red. Again, there is a little bit of green in the background. So many colors that are there. That is still working. I think according to me, it is working. What are your thoughts? Is it working or not?
Alishka just said it gets overwhelming and she finds it confusing.
Yeah, I agree with you completely. I like maximalism very much, but it is too overwhelming. I don't think I'm someone who can crack it or make that kind of mistake. But we are trying to understand what is working, how is it working. For people who, let's talk about the left poster. Mumbai वाला जो poster है, what are your thoughts about it? Why is it working for you guys or is it not?
I feel like because Nike is something that the logo is very like you just see it and you know it's Nike. I feel like that's why it's working because for me it's working because you just see the poster and even if you don't see the illustration, you don't see anything. You just see this like you see the logo and you're like, okay, it's a Nike poster. Plus the people, then you start looking at other things in the poster like the people they are wearing the shoes. Then it's like the Ketli ke under there. So everything is then you start processing the illustration, but the first visual is clear. Like, it's a
Okay.
Nike.
Okay. But if the logo wasn't there, would you still like the design of the poster?
I would like the design of the poster.
Oh, yeah, just okay. Probably the Nike was something that pulled you in first. But
Yeah, it told
without
me.
the Nike thing, also is the design somehow working or is it cluttered?
I don't
Is it
think it's
working or is it?
cluttered. I don't
Okay.
think it's cluttered because of the yellow space also which is there. It's quite empty. Like if you see that everything is very crowded, but the yellow is kind of takes your eye off of the crowd.
The color of the kettle handle and the logo वो साथ में it looks थोड़ा weird.
It's too close
It's
to
too
one
close,
another.
yeah.
The black and black, it's just
Yeah,
kind
the
of
black on the
blurry.
handle with the logo is messing it up. Yeah.
Yeah.
But there's something else that I realized is key. Usually what we do is what we want our main attention to go to, we fill that up and the background we keep it on a lighter note. इस पे what they have done is all the heavy जो patterns है, they have put that in the background, and what they want people to look at वो that goes in a much more minimal way. उसमें solid colors है, उसमें like it's less detailed, but जो background है, so they have like inverted the entire thought process of making a design.
Yeah. But why is that so? What is the message of this? What are they trying to highlight through this?
According to me, because it's more on a Indian desi theme thing, and a major, so like I could say that India's core is maximalism. You go to any part of India, it is this maximalistic design. You go to the south, you go to Maharashtra, you go to any state, it's always these loud, bold designs that, according to me, represents like the core culture of India. Isliye they have used that in the design to show ki India's culture and tradition.
Okay. Anything else?
I feel like chai is something that everyone relates to. Chai, and that you drink your chai and you start moving. Like, and in Bombay is a very like happening city. Like people are constantly moving, people are constantly going somewhere. So also when you go somewhere, you need your shoes, you need your chai. So those two main important things are like highlighted. I mean, chai is a very running factor. Like there are some people who can't work without chai. I mean, most of the people. So
Okay. Good point. Anyone else? Anything else?
They have used Mumbai as their city, but I think जो पीछे का डिजाइन है वो थोड़ा मुगल इसमें जा रहा है.
Yeah. It is. This is not an official poster by Nike. It's something that I picked up from the Pinterest. Like all the posters, none of us of them are created by us. It is something that we got from Pinterest. This is something I really like. अभी ये इसमें कुछ फैक्टर्स वर्क कर रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं वर्क कर रहे हैं. योर पॉइंट इज एक्सीलेंट. ये मुंबई का टेक्स्ट डाला है, बट इफ यू सी वो आर्ट्स और कुछ चीजें वो मुंबई के इसमें फॉल नहीं करती. वो फिर भी वो मुंबई के कारण तुम लोग फिर वो कुछ चीजें तुम छुपाने का ट्राई कर रहे हो बिकॉज ऑफ द टेक्स्ट यू काइंड ऑफ हैव गॉट इनटू दैट. बट कमिंग बैक टू आवर फ्यू पॉइंट्स, वन इज अगर वो नाइके का ब्रांड बना रहा है तो ब्रांड का फोकस चाय पे है, मुंबई पे भी है, सब कल्चर पे भी है, बट ब्रांड का सबसे मेन फोकस उनके प्रोडक्ट पर है. सो देयर प्रोडक्ट इज इन वाइट कलर, then it gets highlighted. Shoes, you do not see the design of the shoes, but you see that shoes 4 times through in the image, and it is in white color which is getting highlighted. So thus it is still standing. So that is something वो बहुत ही consciously वो decision लिया गया है. If it was in blue color, if it was in red color, your eyes would not go to that. So वो भी एक चीज़ें हैं जो हमको ध्यान में रखनी पड़ेगी. इफ यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन मैक्सिमलिज्म, इफ इट्स फॉर अ कंपनी और फॉर अ ब्रांड, प्रॉबेबली देयर प्रोडक्ट और वो प्रोडक्ट का क्या कलर होगा वो हमारे लिए बहुत की चीज़ होगा. बिकॉज बाकी के एलिमेंट्स विल बी देयर, बट आर यूजर अटेंशन शुड गो टूवर्ड्स द प्रोडक्ट. सो दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई फील इम्पोर्टेंट. द सेकेंड पोस्टर, राइट साइड वाला पोस्टर के बारे में थॉट्स? Like it, hate it, too much text, is the text working, not working?
The text, there's too much text and उसके कारण it's not working क्योंकि it's just there for like as a placeholder and अच्छा दिखने के लिए. You can't even read it. If you try to read it, there's like you'll have to zoom in really hard. And it's like most of the time in such posters, it's a jumbled text without any like meaning or anything. It's just there to look good.
The second kind of design would work only for digital media. It wouldn't quite work for a print media.
Okay. it would not work for a print media to put up outdoor, but do you see yourself having not exactly this poster, but a certain such kind of poster that you can print and put it up in your
Yeah,
room?
it could work as that also, and a magazine cover as well.
Yeah, so you would just require a lot more time to look and observe the poster. The poster is falling in certain category, you just want a lot more time to observe that poster. So probably a magazine or in your room or some place where you can have this poster and people can wait and read everything individually, like the text, because there is so much text. Yes, you said that it's just put up randomly. Nothing over here is put up randomly. It is very, very consciously came into think, okay, this is how that text and things has to be going over there. How it helps, that's a different thing. उनका जो मेन पॉइंट था, जो मेन वर्ड था, वो उन्होंने पीछे डाला है, फिर वो वाइट कलर में उन्होंने कुछ चीज़ें डाला है, एंड एज द टेक्स्ट का हायरार्की गोज, समथिंग विच इज नॉट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज इन अ स्मॉलर टेक्स्ट which is still there. So all these texts are important. That is why it's part of the poster. तो बस बस भर के हमको मैक्सिमलिस्ट करने का है, उसके लिए आई डोंट थिंक इट हैज पुट अप. इनफैक्ट ये टेक्स्ट का पार्ट छोड़ो, व्हाट अबाउट द लाइन on the right side and the line on the left side? That is it. What do you think about that? The line, that white line that is coming from top, the circle, and a line that is coming from bottom, which has like small dots going ahead. उसके बारे में thought क्या है? Is it working? Not working?
It's working because it is leading to the text part.
Yeah. वो लाइन वो हायरार्की क्रिएट कर रहा है. वो जो अगर तुम्हारा अटेंशन स्पैन हो रहा है ना, जा रहा है ना, वो लाइन तुमको उसकी तरफ लेके जा रहा है. When you start to look at posters, we start to see the center part because our eyes go in the center. But if our eyes is digressing from it, the line is helping us guide our eyes throughout the entire poster. So thus those things are used in a maximalist form of poster making. Any doubts or anything about it?
I also think that this might lead to an infographic at some point. Like this comes in between of like, for me, it's like coming in between like a poster and an infographic. So something which is like in between. So I feel like if this would be printed, it would be printed on a bigger scale, not like a small poster.
Yeah, definitely. Infographic, your point is very correct, but you also said that it is also coming between poster and infographic. You did not say it's infographic because it has a certain elements of poster because of the image, the way it is designed and the way it is made to look. And infographic elements is the जो छोटा text है, छोटा inputs है, is all is adding to the infographic. So yeah, this is something that is there. Moving ahead to our next poster category, that is minimalist. Few of you guys will really like this style. I know Jaden loves it. What about other people?
Feel that these posters are very clear with their ideas. Like they have a very good contrast. They are like, if they are wanting us to focus in this art style, they are putting it a highlight there. They're also putting the letters in bold, which is also grabbing our attention. And even for the second one, it's totally monochrome, but it still looks really good and very clean. So that is
yes, exactly. So minimalist follows a few things. Unlike maximalism, it uses a lot of negative space. Their whole focus is by using a lot of negative space. जो भी छोटा-मोटा part है, जो जहाँ पर भी text आ रहा है, automatically it gets very embossed, it gets very highlighted. That is one thing. तो typography उसके कारण बहुत highlight हो जाता है because there's a lot of negative space. Then the next part, color. If you have 2 color or maximum 3 color, sufficient enough in a minimalistic post. Black, white, yellow, that's it. Red, blue, green, that's it. 2 or 3 colors sufficient enough for a minimalistic post. You do not have to require too many colors to be able to fill up the entire space. बहुत सारा नेगेटिव स्पेस है, राइट वाले पोस्टर में देखोगे तो नीचे की तरफ बहुत सारा नेगेटिव स्पेस है, स्टिल समहाउ यू नो इट इज फॉलिंग इन ओके, इट्स समथिंग रिलेटेड टू आर्किटेक्चर और थिंग्स लाइक दैट. So thus this is another poster category. Any thoughts about this? Do you guys like it, don't like it? Do you think it's used too much currently?
Alishka said that she loves minimalist posters. The clean design feels calming and visually soothing, and there's something peaceful about it. Khushi says it communicates the idea clearly, but it won't leave a long-lasting impression on me. Okay.
Very good point. वो minimalistic जितना clean और crisp है, it is something that is very hard to get stuck, because we just end up doing the same thing over and over again. Image वहाँ ऊपर है, नीचे की तरफ आ जाएगा, साइड की तरफ आ जाएगा, हमारा टेक्स्ट है वो लेफ्ट को आ जाएगा, शायद टेक्स्ट का कलर चेंज हो जाएगा, बट वो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है that gets stuck in our head, because we are not able to move past a lot of things. We are stuck in using less amount of color, minimal amount of fonts, and minimal amount of images, and a lot of words. So that is something that we keep on seeing.
But I feel minimalism also makes it look very rich. Like automatically, if you see something SR, you feel like, okay, this. If a company makes a poster, say this, you automatically feel that this company is very put together. They know their things. They're not like dumping a lot of information and a lot of things. Less about sorted company. They know what they're doing.
Okay. How many people agree with that?
I don't like. I feel like I have mixed opinion on it. If it's clean, I would okay. Maybe it makes sense that the company is sorted, but I also feel like the company is very boring. Like yeah, it's really boring. Like if this is something which gives me important information, then yeah, I feel like minimalism poster works because they need to like give you information in like seconds. But if this is something which I compare, if suppose Nike, leaving that it does this, no, I don't feel like I would be hung on to it or I would like see and understand it, like it. Like it would be just like a picture which goes for me. Like I agree with what Khushi said that it's something which looks nice, feels nice, but I won't get stuck to it or it wouldn't come back to my mind.
Anyone else?
I would agree a little to this. I mean, this design looks exotic and rich. Like it reminds me of those people who wears ties and suit and boots and drinks British tea. I would like to see these kind of designs for the companies who are actually in architecture or interior designing, but also people who are wearing t-shirts and like oversized t-shirts, shorts and everything. They would go for maximalist designs. Like this also represents the Gen Zs, I would say. Like Nike focuses on Gen Z, the youth, and that's why Nike would definitely go for maximalist designs because it captures like a lot of details in one poster. But people like who are little older maybe, or I shouldn't use the term as older, but people who likes simplicity and they don't want to be like, no, I don't want to get a lot attracted to colors, they would definitely go for these kind of designs. So both of them have their own perks, I'd say.
Very, very good point. Posters का कैटेगरी में whatever that we are seeing so far and ahead also, majorly वो TG decide करता है हम क्या टाइप में हम क्या चीज़ डाल रहे हैं. You said correctly, ये architectural corporate इसके लिए ये work कर रहा है. वो TG वैसा है. They have been used to seeing it everything more crisp, more clean, more sorted in place. That is where that TG has been organized. So probably a lot of things fit over there. हमारा जो मैक्सिमलिज्म है, if we are talking about a younger audience, we have a lot of things going on simultaneously, probably in our room or also in our head. So उस टाइम पे क्या हो जाता है, that then we get drawn out towards that kind of a thing कि okay, although all that thing looks chaotic, somehow all of thing is falling in place. So thus वो TG भी decide करेगा the old, you said old, yes, I completely agree. But Jaden is unfortunately just 20 years old, but he likes it. So it's very specific कि वो उनका requirement क्या है, उनका taste क्या है, वो कहाँ पे fall कर रहे हैं. तो हम लोग को when we are trying to create anything from a commercial point of view, from a personal point of view, I think that probably ये चीज़ें अगर हमारे दिमाग में है कि हम एक brand persona, हम जिस पर्सन के लिए अगर प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, दिखा रहे हैं, वो हमको पता है वो कैटेगरी, तो शायद हम और बेटर वर्क कर सकते हैं. तो एन 18-year-old 20-year-old पर्सन लिविंग इन सो एंड सो थिंग, वर्किंग ऑन आर्किटेक्चर और थिंग लाइक दैट वुड हैव अ स्पेसिफिक स्टाइल. Someone who is into t-shirt or the street like bike riding or anything like, have a particular style. So ये TGB हमको बहुत help करता है to categorize what kind of poster we will end up making. Okay, moving to our next category, that is our collage. What are your thoughts about that? अभी हमने जेनेसी का बात किया, this what is happening over there?
I feel like there's a lot of elements in it, and therefore we don't have space for typography. Like we cannot put words because they won't even be visible. So collage is definitely only with pictures and putting things together, and it can convey one particular message, I guess, with a lot of pictures.
Okay. So this is not working for you?
It's not like that. I would not go for such posters.
Okay. Yeah, completely personal. Yeah. Anyone else?
Collage, even though it has a lot of elements, each element portrays its own story. So each element is different. Each element is like, it's an amalgamation of many things coming together, but each element has a different story.
Yeah. There are so many elements. One is collage is, if you see, one of the easiest form of making. अभी ये जो past का work है, you would require a software or things like that to make over there, although you can hand draw it also. But collage, you have to do a lot of using different cutouts, images, magazine, paper, or then getting it together and sticking and making a poster out of it. Yes, उसमें what thing we lose on is definitely the typography thing, क्योंकि ये mixed चीज़ें हैं, images आ रहा है, typography आ रहा है, तो शायद हमारा typography कहीं तो lose out हो जाए. राइट वाले पोस्टर में there is consumers written, there is Vogue written on top, but वो फिर भी highlight नहीं हो पाता है because each element is coming together, and then sometimes we do not have control over colors. So वो color, वो चीज़ों का हमारे पास कंट्रोल नहीं रहेगा because we are just cutting it out and putting it in. Yeah. For any of you guys, is this kind of poster working?
I feel like the second one I really like because it's like if you see long enough, if you like check out the poster long enough, you can see the evolution of, I think, I feel like print or publishing media. You can like see that evolution, and I feel like it's going in like in some direction. It's not very vague. For me, it's not very vague because I can see through it. And even if the consumers is the first thing that I can see, I'm instantly reminded of Coca-Cola. Then Vogue is also there. Then like everything is there. And even in the left side, if you see the cyclist is highlighted the most. So it also like subconsciously it makes me understand that everything around him is related to different kinds of cycling fields that people take on to. Like these are some ways that people cycle a lot, or they do stunts there, or they do some kind of cycling activities there. So I feel like there could also be something in such way that all posters don't require typography, but they like everything doesn't need like text. If something just visually makes you understand what's going on, then you don't have to add text to it, because it's not like a it's not like a thing that okay, हर poster में text होना जरूरी है. Something like that, maybe.
Very good point. It is not necessary to have text in on the poster. If the poster is conveying the message from whatever it is, left वाला poster you need to know कि अच्छा ये cyclist का, ये streetwear का या कुछ है. ये poster और उसके imaging enough है to convey what is happening. Sufficient enough. If that is working, probably bottom right corner में या top left इसमें मैं कहीं तो logo डाल दूंगा brand का. It's a cycle brand और अपना streetwear shoes or things like that, उसका logo डाल दिया. Sufficient enough to again convey the lifestyle of it. So you are not exactly putting the product in people's hand कि ये product है और इसको देखो, but you are just showing कि मेरा product use करके हम कैसे ये lifestyle में क्या क्या हो सकता है. तो ये हमारा collage में भी हो रहा है.
Khushi said that I personally feel more connected to these posters as they give a human touch to it. In the era where AI is taking over, everything feels technical. This feels like a breath of fresh air.
I completely agree with it. As much as again, I would really like to do some posters like this. I know Khushi personally from a long time. So I know Khushi is very much capable of this kind of work. So ये भी वो है कि not everyone is able to pull off this time. I also Khushi, if you can help us more to understand कि क्या क्या चीजें हमको ध्यान में रखने पड़ते हैं while doing such kind of collage that can help. If anyone who has done it also, that
I personally have never touched collage, but I like to see
but
it in
you
others'
have
work.
seen you like whatever work of yours I've seen. It's not in collage format, but it's something that has come together and is forming something. It's not minimalistic or anything that I have observed. So I like उस हिसाब से what all elements do you see that is working or that you feel that is have to be kept into consideration while making such kind of poster?
I usually make a story in my head and then उसमें से I pick up like I divide it into parts and then उसमें से I pick up elements and usually मेरा element based ही रहता है.
Oh.
I try to put as many elements in my, but it should relate, like it should have some harmony with each other.
Yeah. Okay. तो एकदम सही पॉइंट है कि एक स्टोरी तुमने बना लिया, ये एलिमेंट है, ये एलिमेंट के अराउंड क्या हार्मनी है वो हमको पता है एंड वी आर जस्ट एडिंग इट आउट ऑन द कोलाज. वो कैसे
Like-
डिजाइन और ये करना है.
When someone
Yeah.
is looking at the poster, they can make out the simple story in their head when they look
हाँ.
at the poster.
हाँ,
कि
yes.
इसका कैरेक्टर ऐसा होगा या इसके कैरेक्टर मोटिवेशंस ऐसे होंगे.
Yeah. तो यही है कोलाज को लेके. आई थिंक आई एम नॉट द बेस्ट पर्सन honestly to be able to talk about this. I just something that I observed and I put it down on presentation to talk and discuss with you guys. So I'm more than willing, if you guys have any opinion or any understanding more of this, you guys can tell either by unmuting yourself or in chat. तो हम discuss करेंगे about this. Okay. Yeah. Jaden, could you move ahead?
Yeah, I have one opinion on it. I feel कि ये जो this collage style would work very well if it's like say an Instagram post or it's like a thing that you want like to like put in your bedroom as a photo frame or something. But to place it like if you're a company and you want to advertise, then like I don't feel this will work with every company. This will only work like for certain niches, like say like something very rugged or very creative udhar. Because then if you're seeing an ad, like I don't think people are going to like sit and actually like sit and watch and like sit with it and like try to decode ki kya kya elements hai. Like people now, like since in this fast paced world, you want to see fatafat kya kya ho raha hai, they want to buy it, don't want to buy it, and then they move. So this I feel is like according to me wouldn't work that very well if you're like a company. But like if it's for a poster, like just to like place it somewhere and show it off, then I feel it would work more in my opinion.
It wouldn't work for some companies. It will work, definitely work for some companies. Again, while back when Rivaldo pointed out, in some cases some posters are going to be on. हमको ये भी समझना है ये पोस्टर कहाँ पे लग रहा है. अगर ये पोस्टर स्टोर में लग रहा है, the people who are walking into that store have enough time to go and see that poster and observe small things. So probably over there it is working. if the same poster is on the road, our car is passing by, it's a matter of seconds, then probably you do not have enough time to consume all the data, so then probably it is not working. So it will again depend where exactly you are putting this creative and how, what PG you are focusing. तो ये चीज़ें